Today we making Besan ki laddu. The ingredients we need are gram flour, butter, sugar. First we add butter in the pan and melt it. Please subscribe to my channel. Melt the butter. When the butter melted, some gram flour in it. Stir it well so that lumps is not be created. Add some sugar powder in it. Mix sugar powder in it. Stir it well. Pick some material on hand and make it round. Like my videos. Our sweet is ready. It is very delicious. Add some sliver paper on it. Try it and enjoy it with your dear one.